For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hagani ke Jingjurib, Laidan lang ke officer jang tenat planning ba tenat penroisor. Hagabau menteri rang ba ke jelau lo kemi bnia ke jinglong jingman jeki kam ke jam. Hagabede begini ke jintai haga New Shillong Township. Bat kumju ru ban penpau ya ke jisohun lo krokom ya ki kam ke jam baro. Ya ke sekretariat ke bethamai latei haga jingmang pisa ke bakot syajar sispa prapu prak lor tengga ba lubo por ban pendepno ikini ke jintai haga benta pedeng jong ke senam arhajar arpunyo. Menteri Rang Ba Ulong Mahadin beladap bantai pendap begini projek ane kathan om tang bagan kelalong ke jaka ke Bekongsan ne ke administrative city. Mereka nok senyang shibon ba ke ban pen keluar je kanong ba Shillong. Ulong ru begiladap ban snai ke serok kelang ke benta jong ke New Shillong. Bat gidang bon ru ki wei pat ke bidang ya ceprang. Menteri Rang Ba Ulong begini ke surok akan ke jaka ke de ban peniaso bat ki projek beper ke badan kathan bat kene kan kentiu shibon hakalet kawan. Menteri Rang Ba ulalet banjurib ya ka Unity Mall bat ulalet ru banjurib ke surok ke belashna no Mir Shamau Khanu. Kawin ke surok ke ban peniaso bat ke administrative and knowledge city hagan ngathan.
We have come here to the site of the new secretariat, and as you can see behind me, the work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work. And we expect that the project should be completed on time, and we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very, very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city. Because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we've reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time. We are here in the Mir to Maukanu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see, the road has come up very well, and we intend to have the cycling tracks on the side, and at the same time, more importantly, we are discussing with the soil conservation department, and this year itself will be going for a massive plantation, almost close to about 8 to 10 kilometers of plantation will be done all along the road out here, and we will ensure that it's done in a uniform manner. So we'll have a straight line of, for example, the cherry blossom trees, so that it looks in a very uniform manner, or different species, local species also will be doing. So this will really create a proper view and a beautiful view along the road. And we are starting with this road, and this year itself, during the plantation season, which is now, we'll be planting these trees, and we'll be continuing this next year in other roads. For example, the PM Divine Road, which we expect to be completed by next year. We will take up the project in that section, and also within the existing roads in Shillong city also, we intend to expand and have this kind of uniform plantation of trees so that it gives a beautiful impact and a beautiful view of the city and the roads. Thank you. Am I correct? Yes, sir. Yeah, those details. You can.